Let's learn how to accept Brand EMI payments using the Pay on Card Machine payment option on the Paytm EMI app. First, log in using your credentials. Search a product on the home screen to view no-cost and low-cost EMI offers or select it from the available options. Tap Edit Price if required. Select the bank and EMI tenure as per customer's choice and then tap Proceed. In the next screen, enter the IMEI or serial number of the product and tap on Validate. After validation, select Pay on Card Machine as the payment option. After this, you will see two options: Scan QR and Select Device. Through Scan QR option, you can generate a static QR on Paytm EMI app instantly to redirect the payment flow on Paytm Card Machine. Then all you need to do is go to the home screen of your Paytm Card Machine, select Store QR option and scan this QR to accept the payment. You will see an auto-generated amount on your Paytm Card Machine's screen. Now, insert the card and review the payment summary. After this, enter the invoice and mobile number and tap Proceed to pay. Then ask your customer to enter the PIN and complete the payment. But in case you have multiple Paytm card machines at your store, then you have another option called Select Device. Tap on it and then choose a device from the list. A payment request will be sent to the selected device. Go to the home screen of the device and select Store QR option. Then select the relevant payment request to accept the payment from your customer. You will see an auto-generated amount on your Paytm Card Machine's screen. Now, insert the card and review the payment summary. After this, enter the invoice and mobile number and tap Proceed to pay. Then ask your customer to enter the PIN and complete the payment. You will see a confirmation on both Paytm Card Machine and on your Paytm EMI app. That's it. Now start accepting EMI payments with Paytm EMI app today.
Paytm karo.